Hey, you ever have one of these screws holding your striker plate strip out, or for that matter, any screw strip out? It's doing this number to you, just to where it won't. You may tighten it up, but close the door about 10 times, it starts to come loose again. Well, I'm going to show you how to repair that hole. Well, so we just left a job. This is Darren with Confident Home Solutions, licensed general contractor, builder, remodeler in North Carolina. Just left a remodeling job to where we had to repair a couple, and I was like, I forgot my camera. I could have actually showed how we do that. So we use this not only for stripped holes, but sometimes when we got to bump a hole over. So, depending upon if it's a wood grain, sometimes you'll hit wood grains and your drill bit will come over. Now, if you're a seasoned pro, you can manipulate that drill bit over and keep it over. But sometimes when you put that screw in, it will fight you and just move on over. So sometimes what we'll do is we'll fill that hole and push it over, push your screw hole over. I'm going to show you a couple different ways that we're repairing these holes, and hopefully you guys enjoy this. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to take this striker plate off here. You saw that this one was stripped out here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some matchsticks here. Now, I'm actually going to, let me push this down in there. Now, it's not for certain if I can get two matchsticks. One of the advantages with a toothpick is because it's sharp in the very, it has a sharp tip on it. So you're going to be able to fit more of them in there. But we can still do it with these matchsticks. Now, I've cut the match head off of them. You're going to wonder what glue I'm using here. Titebond Blue Label. I don't care if it's blue, red, green. It all works. All works just fantastic. I'm actually going to slice one of these down the center. Just like so. I said it really didn't matter if I had a toothpick. All right. And you just smash them off to the side. Let's put that in. Now I like to put this screw in when the glue is still wet. Oh yeah, that's tight. That's tight. Look at that glue. Look how the glue squeezed up. Perfect. Now, why I like to use the glue that way is it will, the glue will go around the threads of the screw and even tighten it up. So I mean, as far as assuring you that it's not going to back out. All right, so you've seen me do toothpicks, matchsticks on this side, and it works great with glue. I definitely recommend using that glue. Don't over tighten it. Give that glue a little bit of time to soak into the fibers of that. And you can tighten it down, but just don't brayer on it. If you want to come back a little bit later and finish tightening it, that's even better. But it'll work. It'll give you a really secure screw. All right, so what on this side? We're going to say that this side is just completely stripped out. It cannot hold anything. And to the point to where you're concerned about matchsticks not even working, or maybe it's off center. Maybe you drilled it and it caught a grain and it pushed it over. Well, these golf tees typically are 3/16. Let me switch it out to this drill bit. I have a 3/16 drill bit. Let me see if I remember right. Oh yeah, that fits perfect. Okay, so one thing that I always do, I do not snap it off, because I've actually had some issues to where, I mean, if you do have a chisel, you know, I guess you could go in there and work it around. That would be just fine. Or if you have a multi-tool, you could go in there and zing that off. But most people aren't going to have that. So I would bring it up here. I would mark it. Bring it over, and let's just cut it with your razor by spinning it. Okay. Right back to that same thing. We're going to put some glue in it. I love these screwdrivers right here. I never own a screwdriver that has a soft end. Check that out. Now let's flip it over on the back side and see what we have. 100% filled in. You can actually see the back edge of that golf tee sticking out right there. Alright. We're going to bring this back over here. Now, most of the time you will not see me just drill through the center of it, because it just messes you up. You don't actually really see where you need to be drilling. So mark it. Let's drill it again. Golf tees work extremely well for giving you a secure rethread, or if you got to bump it over. You shall not strip. Now, a little humor there, but go into it with that way of thinking, that the method in which you're going to use, that you are going to go in and do it correctly. You're going to use those toothpicks, those matchsticks, those golf tees. Use good quality glue, and don't over tighten it at first. If you want to come back and just snug it up a little bit later, I mean, both these, actually all four of the attempts that you saw me do them, I was able to properly tighten it right there. I'd never come back again. They were spot on. And those things are going to be a 15, 20-year-old repair, you know, as long as that door handle lasts. I do not ever expect to have to address those repairs. So we do it. I don't get one bit worried about a stripped hole. That's just part of doing this work. And it comes with new construction, comes with remodeling, comes with just general home maintenance, and you can do it with confidence. Darren with Confident Home Solutions, licensed general contractor, builder, remodeler in North Carolina. See you on the next video.